This is UVC webcam become HDMI output. It connect the USB webcam become HDMI output. Today I will want use the Logitech. This one. This is Logitech C930c webcam. Okay. In Chinese, it is C930c. In America, it is C930e. Okay, so C930e is equal C930c. Okay, I will want to this webcam C930c become HDMI output. How to do? First, connect. This is webcam. Connect webcam. Okay, webcam. And the HDMI. This is micro HDMI cable. Connect. Okay. Micro HDMI cable. Power. This is Type C power. DC 5 voltage. Connect. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is my TV. Okay, this is from the webcam. Logitech webcam. Okay. Logitech C930c webcam become HDMI output. Okay.